to another video. Today we got a ACDelco ratchet with an extended wrench toolkits. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. Yes guys, we got a deal here, $10 off. Still a great deal for this ratchet. It's an ACDelco G12 series 12-volt Lion, cordless, 3/8 40 foot-pounds extended ratchet wrench toolkits, one battery toolkit, $119.99. That is definitely a good deal, still for $119. But if you put this coupon, you get an extra $10 off. So definitely check it out. If you go to Harbor Freight and try to buy the Earthquake one, it's gonna be more than $100, and it's not gonna be the long extended ratchets. If you want the regular ratchets, they're $89 here at Amazon. I'll leave the links down below to this one and to the regular ratchets. Let's look at the other one really quick. So here's, let me see, here's different ones you could get, but look at how cheap these are. This ACDelco ARW1209P G2 12 series 12-volt line cordless 3/8 45 pound ratchet wrench toolkit. Look at how cheap these are. Promotion available for promotion. Look at this one. This one's $89 and they carry it at the warehouse. So a little bit more, but they still carry it at the right, and it's the Amazon's choice. So you know it's handled by Amazon. Definitely check it out. All these great deals. If you need a ratchet for the house, even if you're a professional, you need a side ratchet just to have it extra laying around in case one breaks or one's down. This is the one for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll leave the links down below. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon.